Hello, my name's Kevin Arians. I'm currently the service manager here at our Crawfordsville, Ladoga location. I have been with the company for 10 years now and have been service manager for right at a year. So I've been asked to discuss with you today about our inspections. Now that harvest is over, we are now in the heart of inspection time. Through the winter time, mainly want to focus on our combines inspections. And we have two different options for inspections. We have a standard inspection, just a basic, we look over your combine, inspect it inside and out. And then we also have our SIP 360 program, which is an all-inclusive service and inspection where we change every fluid, every filter, and inspect the combine. We grease it, we oil all the chains, and we send off oil samples and to get them analyzed to see if there's any issues that are on the horizon that could be solved ahead of time. But that's an all-inclusive system that we've just started and we're working on. It is it also comes with its own benefits. Each inspection, either whether it's a regular inspection or a SIP 360 inspection, you get a 10% discount on labor and parts. And with the SIP 360, that discount carries through for a year. Also, with the SIP 360, there is no, if you perform all of the recommended repairs during the inspection period, you also get no service call trip fees, and we charge in-shop labor rate instead of field rate. So there are some benefits to doing the SIP 360 over just your standard SIP inspections. So now that we're actually actively inspecting combines, you may wonder, why do we want to inspect? Why is it a good idea to inspect? Well, I was a service technician for 9 years before I moved into service manager position. And being on that side of the fence and working hand in hand with the customers, I can tell you from hands-on experience that getting your combine inspected now before harvest is going to save you a substantial amount of downtime in season and you won't have those headaches to deal with in season. And by doing the repairs now, the customer is not standing around waiting for the technicians to get there and get the issue fixed to get them up and going again in the fall. And it also allows you, through certain financial benefits that we have through Productivity Plus, you can spread these payments out, you can get no payments, no interest, so it opens up the door to a lot of other benefits beyond the 10% discounts and the right now immediate benefits. But I think another large benefit is not only is you as the customer up and running and your uptime is greatly improved. With the technicians, we can keep ahead of the repairs a lot faster, a lot better, so that when you do break down, you're not waiting as long for a technician to get out there and get you up and running again. Since we're not doing all of these lengthy repairs in season, we can cover our customers and take care and handle our customers much more efficiently in the heat of the season. So I think, and it also helps for the technicians. They're not working large amounts of hours. They're not getting burnt out. They're still having family time, and I think that also helps with the longevity of the technicians. Being able to keep that relationship with that technician year after year after year, I know is a great benefit to some customers, and not getting those technicians burnt out is a huge asset to having your combines inspected. Combines, planters, tractors, it doesn't matter, in the off seasons. All right, so you're probably wondering what all we look at during combine inspections. We look at everything. I'd have to look at the sheet to tell you how many point inspection it is, but we'll look at everything on the feeder house, from the chain to the gearboxes to the bearings to the rock trap beater, to the stripper plates, We'll look and check for leaks, any hydraulic leaks that are hiding, any potential leaks that might be coming, frayed, damaged, worn, hydraulic lines. Same thing with electric wires. We'll look at that stuff to make sure that there's nothing, coming down the pipe on the feeder house. We'll look at the rotor. We'll look at your transition cone, make sure it doesn't have any holes in it. We'll check wear on your rotor cage. We'll check the vanes for wear in the rotor. We'll check your brass bars for wear. We'll check, grain pan seals. We'll check the condition of the sieves. We'll check all the bearings over the whole combine. We'll check upper and lower elevator drive sprockets. We'll check unloading augers. We're going to check for leaks on the engine. We're going to check. We're going to fire these combines up and we're going to run them. We're going to make sure that every function, every option works the way it should. We're going to check for software updates. If there's an update that needs to be performed, we're going to get those software updates done so that your combine is at the most current software it can be, so it performs at its peak efficiency. We'll check the transmission. We'll check the hydros. We'll check tires. We check and torque the lug bolts to make sure that you don't have any loose lug bolts on your tires. So we just, it's an 11. I do know it's an 11-page inspection sheet full of items that we check on these combines. So there's really, when I say no stone unturned, I'm not exaggerating. We look it over inside and out. You're probably wondering, okay, now you got your combine inspected, what's next? So after the inspection is done, the technician will get with the parts department. They will develop a parts list. And then I usually try to sit down with the technicians and we'll go over needed, recommended repairs. I will walk around the machine with the technician, verify, and we'll talk about the repairs. And a lot of inspections, from my experience, you got a lot of judgment calls. You gotta play into how much does the farmer farm? How hard does the producer run his machines? How important is uptime to that customer? So there's a lot of factors that play in. What one person thinks is wore out, another customer may not. So I like to work with the customers and the technicians, and we verify what repairs are recommended. And then we'll develop an estimated labor rate or estimated labor time, how long it'll take to do these repairs, and then we will develop a estimate and reach out to the customer, go over that estimate with the customer, and then let them decide if and what they want us to repair. And then hopefully with their approval, we will move on with making the repairs on their machine. So that's that's our inspection program in a nutshell. So if you haven't already booked your inspections, please reach out to your service managers, assistant service managers, or even a technician that you're comfortable talking to. And if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to those people as well. We are offering a $320 rebate if you get your inspections done between now and March, the end of March 31st. So, and then we also are still, remember, we are still having the 10% labor, 10% parts discount on inspections as well. So get those inspections booked. Then we also have programs for tractors, skid loaders, small, large, Magnums, Steigers, Farmalls, Maxims. We have inspection programs for everything.